Yep. CTSV channel. What's going on, guys, man? TRILLGANG Wavy here, back with another video. Today is finally here, man. We just gassed up the vehicle and everything. Y'all see I got the fresh little drip, got the Corvette shirt, cause you know I got the Corvette engine, you dig, you know what I'm saying? And we're headed to Dallas for Demonology versus DONKMASTer. YouTubers Callout, man. So it's gonna be lit, man. So if you're new to the channel, man, you like cars or anything that deals with cars, man, you came to the right place. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button and post notifications so you be notified when my next video drops, man. And I'm headed to the north side of Houston to meet up with some other car people. Y'all might be familiar with them if y'all live in Houston, man. So without further ado, man, let's get on with the video for the first day of YouTubers Callout. Deuces. Most of the people here, man. So we at the location. Got the Z01 right here. Got a Challenger here. How you doing?
How are you?
Doing good. Alright, see, we got Zay's. We got Zay's over here. We got Fred. A little something. We got Let's Dream Chases. Yep. CTSV channel. Another Challenger that just pulled up. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the man channel, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, man. We out here, man. We lined up. All lined up. Always late, huh?
See, get back in the car. We rolling out.
Yeah, we waiting on you about the road.
Who's all rolling?
I know.
All right, get back on. Get that thing. Go.
Alright, y'all. Finna get on the road right now. Deuces.
Minutes later.
The first stop, we done made it over. Yeah, yes, sir. We out here. Y'all see what the vibes is, man.
This is my travel attire, so y'all don't get judged.
Oh, man.
T-Tona. Hey, girl. How are you? I like this song.
Hey, If I ain't never experienced the SS, I experienced that motherfucker today, boy. That bitch got power.
First stop, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, they left us, but it's all good.
It's okay, Zay. You'll get there. You'll get there, man.
I was not late. I was there at 10 o'clock.
Cops
You was
crazy.
late.
That is
I
not
said
late.
first cop, I stopped.
Hey,
If I would've got there at
what's
10
that?
o'clock,
I seen them cops, I stopped.
I know. I'm like, man, Zay, guys, he gonna let us know in the back.
I didn't see him at the lift. It's weird as way.
Oh yeah, everybody out here getting footage, man. Don't cut up, man. Yeah, we deep for sure, for shit show, you dig? Know what I'm talking about? Oh yeah, for shit show. I see you trying to keep up with the pack.
yeah.
It's a rental car. I live in Kansas.
He's
I'm
a Mopar. All the
I
way.
got,
Yeah.
I got a
okay.
66 Dodge Polara at home.
Oh shit.
What are your guys'
40 big
YouTube?
block.
I will support you guys.
My name
Okay.
is Ayo B Sway. Like somebody screaming Ayo. AYO
Yep. Okay. And then what's the last one?
B Sway. BSWAY.
I hope that's right. I can't see them. Too bright out here.
Yes. Gimbal gang.
Oh,
Oh
spelled it
no,
wrong.
you said H-O.
Oh.
Ayo. AYO.
Hey. Okay. Here, you just type it in.
Good
Might as
job.
well
good with
just
spelling.
pass everybody the phone, let them type it in.
Yeah, all the numbers. That's what we really do.
Definitely. We love freaking fast cars. I told him, I was like, all right, you can
I
get
hit
one
the
now.
governor on that little car.
Oh
Trying
man.
to keep up.
Yeah, we here in Dallas right now. We got a big YouTubers call out going on right now. So
Oh, hell yeah. I'm trying to start my own YouTube, just something like ghost hunting and just abandoned buildings
we're
and
already-
stuff like
we
that.
went down
So,
to
yeah.
Galveston for vacation because I'm from Newton, Kansas.
okay.
I hate Kansas. Don't go to Kansas. If you don't like the humidity, go to Kansas. But
Oh yeah, man. So let me go ahead and get some gas, man, and we'll be hitting the road again. We headed out. We're headed to Ennis. So, see y'all. When we get there. Deuces.
Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. These bitches will cry and be lying in your face. Look at the nuts, gotta know how they play. If the money went straight, you won't be here today. Cordial, how you wanna go back? How you wanna do it? I don't backtrack, man, fuck that. I don't miss nobody. Left it on scene, I ain't right back. I don't trust nobody. I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today.
20 minutes later.
So we finally made it to Ennis. About to get gassed up, then I'm finna head to the hotel, get freshened up and all that, man, and get ready for later on, man. So this is pretty much the end of the video, man. So go ahead, subscribe, and make sure you click the post notification so you can be notified. So you can be notified when my next video drop, man. It's your boy Trill Young Wavy, and I'm out. Deuces.